Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Sitrunda 15.6-inch laptop screen extender. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 15.6-inch 1080p FHD IPS Portable Monitor. This 15.6-inch portable monitor for laptop utilizes a 1920x1080 FHD IPS panel for dual-screen setup configurations. Acting as a laptop display extender, it features a standard 60 Hz refresh rate and 178 degrees wide viewing angles. This laptop screen extender provides secondary display functionality without software installation, operating as a high-performance portable monitor extender for multiple computer systems. Detachable design and independent stand. The M5 utilizes a detachable screen structure, functioning as an independent laptop monitor extender that rests directly on the desk surface. This freestanding portable monitor bypasses traditional screen attachment for laptop mechanisms, ensuring zero pressure or strain on laptop hinges. It operates as a stable dual-screen monitor for laptop without requiring physical attachment to the computer chassis. 360 degrees rotatable holder and portrait mode. This vertical portable monitor features a 360-degree rotatable bracket, allowing for seamless transitions between landscape and portrait orientations. As a portable screen for laptop use, it facilitates vertical document viewing and coding with its integrated multi-angle kickstand. This laptop dual-screen setup ensures optimal viewing flexibility, serving as a versatile extended monitor for laptop. Type-C 1 cable setup and device compatibility. Equipped with full-featured Type-C ports, this USB-C portable monitor supports simultaneous video and power transmission via a single cable. It functions as a plug-and-play monitor for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and gaming consoles. This extendable monitor for laptop also includes a mini HDMI port for broader hardware compatibility, operating as a universal monitor extender for laptop. Ultra-slim travel design and portability. This travel monitor for laptop features a lightweight, slim profile designed to fit inside standard laptop bags and backpacks. Structured as a screen extender portable laptop, it provides a mobile workstation solution for business travel and remote work. This portable laptop screen extender serves as a travel screen extender for laptop and an extra laptop screen portable for users on the move. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.